Before starting work on creating searches, give some thought to the design of the folder structure that's going to be used to store your searches and related reports. Your practice might have a set of folders already that meet all their needs, and it might well look obviously quite different to this view, but we'd recommend you create a folder of your own to use. It can be used to play and learn or test your planned searches without having to create them in folders that are used for actual practice searches. Instead of creating a top-level folder, we'd suggest you create a test folder as a practice, and then within that folder, create a named folder for each user. Once you've created your folder, you can not only create new searches in it, but you can also take a copy of existing searches from other folders and paste them into yours. You then have a copy of that search that you can play around with in the knowledge that the original remains unaffected. So let me find a search to copy. I'm going to pick this one. Note that it has two children, it's descendant searches. Copy by using the option in the ribbon or on right click. Then back in your folder, use paste from the ribbon or on right click. When you paste the search into your folder, you'll get the option to copy over any of the searches that were descendants of that search that you selected. And there they are, ready for you to view and edit. So back to the folder structure. These arrows indicate a subfolder, and you can open those from both the tree on the left or double click in the panel on the right. Any item with the spyglass icon to the left of it is a search. Other icons are used to represent other types of item, and we'll cover those in later videos. Notice that searches can be children of other searches, as shown by the indent. This relates to the ability to perform a search using another search as its base population. So this search here is being run on the resulting patient list of the search above it. In the right-hand panel, a base set of information is always displayed about each search that's been run. We'll return to this content in detail in later videos. Before we move on though, just a couple of small but useful pieces of functionality. To rename a folder, select it and either right-click and select Properties or pick Properties from the ribbon. You can then edit or replace the current folder name. Bear in mind that folders are displayed in alphabetical order in the left-hand tree, so if you rename a folder, it might end up in a different location on that tree. And finally, you can use the Find option in the ribbon to search through folders and find a specific search or folder if you know its name.